Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we'll be looking at all you need to know to trade successfully using the QDC Scraper indicator. Okay, have you been looking for a way to trade successfully? Have you been looking for a way to solve your problem with the boom and crash trading analysis? Have you been looking for the easiest way to trade volatility market? Then you need to watch this video to the end, because you will understand more about how to do this and how to use your indicator successfully. Okay, if you have been looking for a way to understand or to have a better knowledge about the QDC Scraper indicator, then this is the best video for you to watch. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Okay, before going fully into today's video, I would like to let you know that this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make successful trade on your forex, in the forex market. Okay, this is a platform which I've been using to teach you different strategies, different ways to milk the market successfully. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab some few tips there, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first before you go live with any of the strategies shared here. Okay, this is very, very important and vital. Okay, and if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you would like to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you are there and you would like to know more, you've been seeing different trading tools on my platform, you would like to know more about them, feel free to contact them. Feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And do not forget to join my Telegram channel, because I usually drop some freebies there for you guys. Okay, and also quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it and click on the notification bell beside it, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, let's quickly do some market analysis for today, so that we know what we look out for before we jump into the market. Okay, so let's quickly do some market analysis, then we head on to what we have for today. Okay, I'll be starting using the signal indicator, and that is boom 1000. You can see after approaching this resistance level, it spiked up. This support level, it spiked up, came down to that level again and spiked up, and this time around broke out from the resistance level and went up to this major resistance level before turning down again. Okay, right now it is at it is on downtrend right now, so you should trade carefully if you are trying to trade these spikes, but it is more favorable for those that are trading the downtrend right now. Of course, it is about getting to a support level, so if you are in the market, I expect you to be out of the market right now and wait for it to break this support level before you come in again. So let's check out what we are with crusher indicator. With crash 1000 using the crusher indicator. Okay, this is the crusher indicator. You can see that the market is on downtrend here. Check it out, got to this resistance level, spike, crash down, went got there again, crashed down, got there again, but this time around it came down to this level, so it is presently on downtrend. If you are the type that love buying crash, then you should stay away from the market right now until it get back to its normal trend. So let's check out what we are with boom 500. For boom 500, we will be using the signal indicator. For the signal indicator, you can see for boom 500, you can see that after getting to this support level, it went back on uptrend after surviving this little downtrend that occurred here. Okay, it went back on uptrend, and it's been on uptrend since then. If it breaks out from this line and the line changes from blue to yellow, then we are likely to see a downtrend starting from there. Okay, so watch out for that. Now let's check out what is happening with crash 500. Okay, let's check out what is happening there. Okay, with crash 500 we had an uptrend here. You can see it here. We got an uptrend here. We got a buy here and got confirmed here, and it's been going up since then. Okay, right now we have our exit arrow popping out on the using the crusher indicator. Okay, let's quickly check out this also on higher time frame. This is the this is crash 1000 on higher time frame using the NT indicator. Okay, this is 15-minute time frame. We decide to stay at the middle. You can see we got a sell signal here, so it is on sell trend at the moment, although around a resistance, a support level. If it breaks this support level downward, then you should expect it to go down more than this. Okay, so I'll be stopping here with the analysis. I will be stopping here with the analysis. So let's check out what we'll have for today. Okay, as you can see, what the topic we'll be treating today is all you need to know to trade successfully using the QDC scraper indicator. And also remember, if you have any question about this video or any of the videos at all, feel free to contact me using any of the contact details on the screen right now. And remember, I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So let's head on to the trading platform right now. Okay, I welcome you all to the trading platform once again. Okay, this is the QDC Scraper indicator. This is the full setup. Actually, this indicator were given to those that participated in the January 23 program, one of the two trading tools they got. And also these are some of the training they actually took advantage of. Okay, actually after using it for a while, I noticed, after giving out to them, I noticed that so many positive stuff were coming out using this indicator, and so many of them were really happy, and so many of them were even demanding to get more for their friends and family. But I noticed that, okay, if this is actually giving them positive results, then let me try it out on the public channel so that you guys can see the way it works, instead of explaining to them one after the other on how they can use it successfully. I can do and I can do some videos on it on my channel so that you guys will see it, you all can see it and see how you can trade successfully with it. And those that are not fortunate to attend the program also will be able to benefit from this aspect of the training. Okay, so this is the way it looks like. I'm going to give a brief explanation about all you need to know about it. There are so many things attached to this indicator, this setup. There are so many things that you need to know about it. It has a lot of features, a lot of advantage. It has amazing features that will help you to trade successfully, believe me. Okay, and this is the way. Let me quickly explain to you what we have on the chart. Okay, we have the QDC 4MA candles. These are the little candles that you are seeing. You can see the green and the gray ones, or the brown ones. Okay, the brown one shows that the market is on downtrend. The light green shows that the market is on uptrend. You can see the arrow. I'm very sure you are familiar with this arrow on the crusher indicator, but this arrow is coded differently using different strategies, something totally different from that of the crusher indicator. Okay, and based on my knowledge, it is more than 90% perfect in trying to trade successfully. Okay, it is more than 90% perfect. I'm going to share with you how you can use it successfully. Okay, we have the window indicators. We have two window indicators. We have these histogram, the first set of histogram here. The green aspect of it shows that it is buying around there, while the red aspect of it shows that it is selling around there. And you can see the zero level here. It is very, very vital and important. Once you see it trying to move from this range to the zero level, then you should know that it is ready to sell around here. Okay, I'm going to cite an example quickly. You can see here, you can see that is around there is where we got our arrow. Okay, you can see, and once you notice that the red histogram for a sell signal is narrowing down, then you should exit the market. You can also exit the market that way because it shows that it can start spiking any moment from there. Okay, so that these are some of the good features of this indicator. Okay, so you can use it to trade successfully. Okay, so the third aspect, the second window indicator is where we have the QDC trend scraper indicator. Okay, this is an amazing trend indicator. It helps you to know the exact trend of the market. Okay, the exact trend of the market. You can see these arrows. They pop out once in a while. Okay, once they pop out, then you should know that you are ready to trade for a very long time. Okay, once it pop out, wait for the first bar to show a green color. If it is a buy, wait for the first bar to show a green color. Once it shows it, then you can set in and place your pending order. Check it out here. After showing up, you can see it spiked up to this level before giving us a sell signal. Can you imagine being the market to this level? This is amazing. There are some even better opportunities. Okay, I'm going to show you that later on in future. Okay, that is how it works. Okay, so let's see how we can put this into use. But firstly, which asset can we use this indicator for? Okay, we can use it for all the assets so far you have them on the MT5 trading platform. You can use it for everything. Okay, if it is volatility 75, volatility 100, volatility 50 and the likes, all the volatilities, even step index, you can use this indicator for it. Okay, you can use it for boom and crash, either boom 500 or 1000. You can use it for any one of them. Okay, it works perfectly well for them. Okay, another question I would like us to see, to throw to us is how accurate is this indicator? Personally, I'm going to give it 90%. Okay, it is even more than 90%, but let me put it at 90% because it is so perfect. It gives you peace of mind and you will be able to trade with it successfully. Okay, another question is, how do I know when to enter a trade? Okay, how do I know when to enter a trade? So quickly, I'm going to highlight that to you. I'm going to show you short trading period and long trading period. Okay, you don't need to go to higher time frame before you will be able to trade for long here. Okay, so the first way which you can use to trade is this is boom 1000. Remember that the opposite of whatever I'm explaining here, the opposite is what you have in crash, either 1000 or 500. Okay, so let me quickly explain to you. You can easily follow the arrows on the charts. Okay, on the main chart, you can follow the arrows there. Okay, once you get a red arrow like this, it shows that it is selling around there. Okay, so you can come in and sell around there. You can see, you can come in and sell. Okay, and let me quickly explain to you how you can exit your trade, each time you are trading. Okay, let me quickly explain to you how you can exit your trade. Okay, this is it. Once you come in after getting a sell arrow, you can exit whenever you have the exit arrow popping out. You can exit whenever you have the exit arrow popping out. The blue arrow is the exit arrow for boom. The red arrow is the exit arrow for crash. Okay, you can exit whenever you have the exit arrow popping out. For instance, let's say I decide to enter a trade here. then I can exit here. Okay, are you now trying to let us know that the exit arrow is 100% perfect? No, the exit arrow is 90% perfect. And you can see, as you can see here, there is a little spike here, and there is no exit arrow there. There is another one here, and there is no exit arrow popping out there. So there are some times that the exit arrow won't come out, but in most cases, more than 90% of it will definitely come out. But I'm going to show you how you can use it to trade successfully whenever you want the exit arrow to really come out before you close your trade. But wait for that. Right now I'm still trying to show you how you can use it to trade for a short period. You can come in here and pick up a few candles or exit the market once the exit arrow pops out. Then another way to go about it is using this first indicator window. Okay, let's say let me use this. You got an entry point arrow here. You decide to come in, you are trading, and once you see that this histogram is going down to zero level again, you can exit the market. Either you see the exit arrow or not, you can exit the market, because once it gets to 0.0 or any moment from there, it can lead to uptrend, it can lead to spike. Okay, that is another very good example, illustration that you need to take note of. For instance, let's check out this again. You can see we came in here, and you can see this. I want you to follow this histogram. You can see that when it got to this zero level, that is when it spiked. Okay, so once it is narrowing down, once it is getting shorter, then you should exit immediately and keep your profit and wait for the spike to happen. You can see this actually, if you had exited here, this actually gave us 14 candles. Okay, so that is amazing. So another way which you can use to exit, and in which the exit arrow will definitely come out before you can exit, is using the third indicator window. Okay, the third indicator window will help you milk the market for a very long time, even on 1 minute time frame. I'm going to do a whole video about this to explain to you how you can use it successfully. Okay, check this out. Each time you will hardly see arrow popping out on the third indicator window, but each time you have it, then you should know that you should be ready to go into the market. If it has popped out showing us a down direction, you should know that you are ready to sell around then once the bar starts showing this light red color, then you can come in, or you wait for the entry point arrow to show at the top here. Once it shows that you are in downtrend. Even if it spike around here, leave your trade open. Once you have your lot size, a reasonable lot size around it, leave your trade open, because it will, once this place is still red, it shows that the market is on downtrend. Okay, check it out, and it is going to be in downtrend for a very long time. And yeah, if you follow it squarely, you will notice that the exit arrow will definitely come out before it will spike. The exit arrow will definitely come out before it will spike. You can actually use this to trade for a very long time. Let me show you this. Okay, we can't find the beginning of the arrow here because it's not going to show the previous trade. It's not going to go back to the previous trade. If it had gone back a bit, I'm very sure the entry point arrow for this downtrend signal should be from somewhere here. Should be from here, and you can see it came down to this level. We had the exit point exit signal arrow popping out, but it came down to this place. If you even don't want to close it as a day, even though I will advise you to close it before this uptrend, because this uptrend is just a retracement. So far this is still red. the uptrend is just a retracement. It can go for a while, but it will still come back to downtrend because this side is still red. Okay, check it out. It got to this level. Let us highlight our entry points so that you will see what I'm trying to say. You can see our entry point here. This is our entry point because if this histogram had gotten to this level, you're going to see the drop down arrow which led to this downtrend. Okay, but it's not, it has a limit to what it can show in the previous trade, so it has cut off this side. That is why you are not seeing it at the moment. So you can see this is our entry point. You can see the the red horizontal line, and you can see the red vertical line. So that is our entry point. You can see it got to this level. Of course, this exit arrow came out. You can exit the markets there because it will start spiking. That is just a retracement, and you can see it has gotten to zero level. So as you can see, it started spiking and spiked up to this level before going down again. You can see it went down again, but even when it spiked up, it didn't get to our entry point level, because if it had gotten there, it will be above this red line. You can see the red line here. This is where it got to before going down. So it started going down again. You can see it got to this level again. You can see the zero level here again, and you can see the exit arrow popping out, and it's retraced back upward again, and it still went down. So far this place is still red. You are still in the right trend. You are still in the right trend. You can see it's still went down, but didn't go down too far this time around. But later on, you can see here it still went down to this level again. This can actually help you to trade for long, and check it out. This is where, if you want to trade for a very long time, this is where you should now exit your trade. When you see the arrow changing from a drop down arrow to an uptrend arrow, then you should exit the market immediately because it will start spiking. Now let's check how far we have earned if we have taken that long trade. If we are taking that long trade. Okay, I'm trying to put the vertical trend in the trend line. Okay, you can see if we are taking that long trade, you can see it. That was for a very long time. This is amazing. This is amazing. So that is how it works. You can see this is another way. You can see it here. You can see the drop down arrow. This one is real and live right now, and it's been going down since then. It is still within the red region, but remember, this place is narrowing down already, so it will soon get to zero level. It will start spiking any moment from now. Okay, so that is how it works. That is how you can use it to trade successfully. The same way you can use it to trade the trend for a very long time. That way you can also use it to trade spike trading for a very long time. For instance, if you have an uptrend arrow showing up here, wait for the first histogram to turn green. Once it turns green, you can place your pending order and it will start spiking. If it is going to spike for a very long time, then it will continue the trend. It will continue the green trend instead of changing to red trend. Okay, that is very important. Okay, these are some of the few features that this indicator is having. Okay, you can use it to trade any of the assets. You can even use it to trade the currency pairs. It is an amazing indicator that you guys should have. Okay, I'm going to stop here for now. I'm going to show you more features in my next video so that you will understand how to use it successfully. Okay, Watch out for my next video. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now, and I will drop them in the description box below this video. Okay, I believe you've learned a lot today, so if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. Remember to subscribe and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified each time I upload a training video like this. Thank you and God bless.